Underfloor heating is made simple with h2x, and designs that used to take hours can now be done in minutes. We'll first take a look at our settings. H2x gives you a wide range of customization options for underfloor heating, from the floor system, pipe material, and underfloor heating loop layouts. H2x also provides you with a wide range of heat loss calculation methods from around the world, including methods for the US, the UK, Europe, Australia, and India, and all measurements are both available in imperial and metric. To begin designing your underfloor heating layout, we'll first be drawing out our heat load calculations using H2X's intuitive drag-and-drop user interface. Upon completing a room's dimensions, all calculations are instantly carried out and continuously updated every time a change is made to your design. We would also like to stress that each room's heat loss calculations can be overwritten and entered manually through that room's individual settings. Placing our underfloor heating manifold is as simple as clicking on your floor plan and going into the manifold technical settings. Generating your loops can be done instantly with a click of a button. You can then augment your system further by editing the individual loops, adding exclusion zones, partition lines, and wall pass-throughs. Then when your design is complete, with just the click of a single button, H2X automatically sizes and calculates your entire system. Zooming in on our manifold, we can see that H2X has undertaken some pretty complicated calculations. And just by ticking the boxes on our manifold results, we can see the volume, heating rating, pump duty, and loop index circuit length. And going into our room results, we can find the specific loop calculations for each room. And looking at the living room here, we can see the loop's heat output, pressure drop, flow rate, and volume, among a myriad of other calculations. Through H2X, you can directly export your designs into both AutoCAD and Revit. And in terms of documentation, export your plans into fully customizable PDF drawing sets, a full system design report that compiles every calculation in your system, and specifically export your heat loss calculations into a full room-by-room heat loss report. And finally, an extensive bill of materials that takes all materials and costs required to construct your design and compiles them into a neat, easy-to-read spreadsheet. If you'd like to optimize your workflow with H2X, head to our website and book a one-to-one free demonstration with one of our specialists, and sign up for a free trial. But if H2X isn't just for you, we also offer large-scale implementation plans for entire teams of consultants.